if your favorite comfort foods had ancient secrets? Tick-tock, it's time for a tasty tale. Today, we'll uncover the Native American origins in our beloved dishes. Hi there, I'm Professor Cogsworth, your culinary time traveler. Ever wondered if burgers, barbecue, and cornbread have ancient roots? They do. Let's dive into the Native American culinary magic that shapes what we eat today. Before we dive in, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss out on our tasty tales. Ready? Let's embark on this flavorful journey. Let's wind the clock back to a time without popcorn or cornbread thanks to Native Americans and their 7,000-year-old agricultural genius. Corn became a staple in our diets. From religious ceremonies to everyday snacks, their cultivation of over 300 varieties of corn laid the foundation for many of our favorite foods. Corn was integral to their daily lives. Often stored in granaries to ensure a year-round supply and was used in everything from porridge to beer. Today, corn is in nearly everything we consume, from corn syrup in sodas to cornmeal in baked goods. Next time you munch on some corn chips, remember you're enjoying a piece of history. Have you got a favorite corn-based dish? Let us know in the comments. But corn wasn't the only superstar crop in Native American agriculture. Curious about other superstar crops? Let's gear up for some gastronomic history. Meet the original superfood trio, corn, beans, and squash. Known as the Three Sisters, these plants work together in perfect harmony, boosting nutrition and farming sustainability. This ancient practice is even making a comeback in today's organic movements. The Iroquois celebrated the harvest of these crops with the Green Corn Festival, a communal celebration involving dances, songs, and rituals to give thanks for the harvest and ensure future fertility of the land. Imagine the community spirit and joy during these festivals. It's fascinating how these practices are still relevant today. With these incredible farming techniques, it's no wonder Native American cuisine has left such a lasting legacy. Wonder how ancient cooking methods still influence our barbecues today. Let's fire up the grill. Barbecue's smoky flavors. Thank Native Americans. They mastered smoking and slow roasting meat, creating the original barbecue pits called earth ovens. Imagine the tantalizing aroma of slow, cooked meats filling the air during communal feasts, a tradition dating back to 2000 BC. These methods were not only about cooking but also about preserving meat for long journeys. Chef Sean Sherman, known as the sous chef, has highlighted how these methods were integral to their culinary traditions. Have you ever tried traditional barbecue? Share your experiences below. From ancient barbecue pits to modern Thanksgiving tables, Native American ingredients have found their way into our kitchens. Ready to uncover the stories behind some iconic ingredients? Let's dig in. Ever enjoyed a Thanksgiving cranberry sauce? Native Americans were the first to harvest cranberries and use them in their cooking. The same goes for wild rice and maple syrup. These aren't just trendy health foods. They've been staples for centuries thanks to Native American ingenuity. Imagine a world without maple syrup on your pancakes. It's a nightmare, right? These ingredients are not only delicious, but also reflect a deep connection with the land. How about trying a wild rice recipe this weekend? It's a healthy and delicious way to honor these traditions. Want to learn about a dish that embodies resilience and creativity? Let's talk fry bread. Fry bread, a simple yet delicious creation, has a complex history born out of necessity during tough times. But today it's a beloved treat that showcases resilience and creativity. Ever had a fry bread taco? It's like a taco on cloud 9. Trust me, your taste buds will thank you. Created during the 1860s when the U.S. government forced Native Americans onto reservations and supplied them with rations like flour, sugar, and lard, fry bread has since evolved into a variety of regional specialties. Next time you enjoy fry bread, remember its powerful story of survival and ingenuity. From the savory taste of fry bread to the art of food preservation, Native Americans were true culinary innovators. Curious about the secret ingredients and techniques of Native American cuisine? Let's uncover them. Native Americans were the original food scientists, using natural preservatives like salt and smoke to keep their food fresh. They were also master foragers, knowing exactly where to find the best wild herbs and spices to flavor their dishes. Imagine cooking without a grocery store. You had to know your stuff or go hungry. The use of clay pots and stone boiling is another ingenious method, allowing for slow, even cooking and preserving the flavors and nutrients of the food. Ready to bust some myths about where our favorite foods really come from? Let's set the record straight. Think potatoes came from Europe. Think again. They were cultivated by Native Americans in the Andean region long before they made their way to Europe. Tomatoes were originally from the Americas and only made their way to Europe after Columbus. And chocolate. The Mayans and Aztecs were the first to make a drink from cacao beans. So every time you indulge in chocolate, you're enjoying a piece of ancient history. Isn't that sweet? As we wrap up our journey through the influence of Native American cuisine on modern American food, let's reflect on the profound contributions of indigenous peoples. Wow, what an incredible journey we've taken through the rich and flavorful history of Native American cuisine. We've uncovered the deep roots and lasting legacy of indigenous culinary traditions, explored iconic ingredients, and learned about the resilience embodied in fry bread. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the world of Native American food, make sure to hit that subscribe button and like this video. And don't forget to join us in our next video where we will journey back to ancient Rome and uncover the fascinating food and culinary practices of the Romans. You won't want to miss it. Thank you for joining me on this culinary adventure. Stay curious, and until next time, keep savoring the stories behind your meals with entree and tales. Gear up for some gastronomic history.